Yes, sir. Good morning, y'all. Thursday morning, we out here 2 loads today, doing my pre-trip, making sure we good to go. No leaks, nothing loose, nothing crazy looking, nothing in between my wheels. We got 2 loads. We got a local load, Pompano to Pompano, and then I got a load right now. I'm about to go to Weston, and then we sliding up the east coast to Melbourne. We're gonna knock that Melbourne one out first, and then slide back down south and do the Pompano load. That's really what it is right now. Productive day. Yeah, here at the truck, man. About to get it going, man. Y'all be cool. If y'all, if y'all new to the channel or even returning to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like, follow the channel, and we're gonna keep the content coming, man. Y'all be cool. Have a blessed day, man. Be safe on the road. All right, y'all. We out here now. We're just getting out here. Pulling up here now. Don't look like nobody here as usual. You know I love that. Yeah, there ain't no trucks out here, so that's beautiful, man. You know I ain't complaining about that. I'm gonna back up to this door and then we gonna get loaded up. All right, y'all. We in the truck now, waiting to get loaded up. We here now. Just waiting on them to check me in. Good, thank you, man. About to get off in here. Hopefully they off break. He let me in, so I know last time I came, they didn't let me in the gate. They said they was on break, so I'm hoping right now it's the same thing. Got another load booked for tomorrow. Pick up tomorrow. We're gonna run it. We got to have it there Monday morning. So I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow, and then we're gonna head out Sunday. Sunday, like maybe morning, midday. We're going up in the Panhandle. We're going to Pensacola. 650-mile run. So we're gonna have a long day. Definitely gonna be tapped in. You know we're gonna be making some videos because we ain't gonna have shit else to do. It's gonna be a long day, about 8.5-hour run. So I'm hoping with that, after I drop it on Monday, I'm over here, they got planes. Well, I can't show you, I should have flipped that shit around. I'm gonna try to catch it on the way out. I'm at a spot where they like build planes up, like the metal or the steel, whatever the fuck that is, I guess metal, aluminum, that's on the airplanes. They build them shits up over here, so that's pretty tight. Yeah, man, I'm hoping that now, being in that area, I definitely should be able to make some good money coming back home, coming back down south anyway. So that's the plan. That is the plan. Definitely don't think I'd have to deadhead all the way home from fucking Pensacola. I can't even see how that's possible, to be honest with you. Just get here now, I'm about to back up to the door. Let's see if I gotta go. The door's not open. So pretty sure they on break, but we're gonna get out of here. Get out here and still see anything. We out here in Melbourne, man. We made it, y'all. Get off in here and see, Alright, y'all, we out of here. About to slide down here to pump. I know we're going down south. We're gonna do this this local load. And I don't even think I have to take anything anyway. I think they just need my truck to pick up some shit and move it. At least is what it sounds like to me, but you know they half-ass give you the information, but it is what it is. I wasn't able to get no clips over here. You know how the place is with the security and shit. They don't let you do. You can't. I don't even think I'm allowed to use my phone while I'm in there, like have it out type of thing. So you ain't get no clips of that, but it is what it is. So we got that. We good. Headed down south, and like I told you, we got a load for tomorrow. And it's not that bad. I think it's only like 12 feet of space, and it's only 1,000 pounds. So I don't really have no reasons to be worried about no weight issues. So I'm definitely gonna try to get something else to run that with. Even if it's not going to Pensacola, I don't give a fuck if it's going to Gainesville, Tallahassee, Orlando, anywhere between where I'm at and Pensacola, I'm willing to do that. So that's all I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. So I can find another load going up that way that deliver, because you know Friday's a good day to catch freight that can be delivered on a Monday. So if I can find something going up Jacksonville or anything, we'll grab that shit, throw it on. Well, maybe not Jacksonville, because Jacksonville is so far east. But you know, anything going up that little coast. Yeah, we out here, man. About to get on the 95 now. About to hit on 95 now, 140 miles. We're going to Deerfield, pick up. Tap in when we get over there, man. Yeah, man, we out here in the truck now. We out here in Deerfield. I don't know, they got me over here to do it. The shit right there, the shit got a lock on the door, so I don't know, man. Look like maybe they closed down or whatever it is. I don't know. That ain't none of my business. All I know is that ain't nobody here. They said it had to be picked up between 8 and 4. I've been here since 2:50, so I don't know, man. It's 3:05 now. We're waiting to see what's going on, trying to get a hold of the broker. Called the number on the damn on the Raycon, but you know how that shit go. But we waiting to see what's going on now. Ain't really got much right now. Let's see what's going on, man. But other than that, man, we out here, we ready. We already got the load for Friday secured for the drop Monday. We already got that locked in. And then that's about it. We'll keep seeing if we can find something to run tomorrow, some small partials. That's it, man. I'm going to get with y'all in a few. See what's going on with this load right here.